Start.
So we are going to deal, friends, we are going to deal the topic number system. So this topic is quite important because this topic used to be there in our syllabus from class 1st to 7th. Okay, so this topic is quite important, and then we have to learn. There is a mechanism in this topic that if you learn the mechanism, you can deal the questions up to. If you are from class 4th standard, you will deal it up to 7th standard. You will deal any question of this kind of questions. This topic. Okay. So number system have a mechanism. We will deal about the mechanism. Once we learn the mechanism, we are done. Number system have two systems to write the number. First of all, Indian system. Indian system. And then the second one is international system. Then the second one is international system. So for Indian system, we deal from class 1st to class 3 or 4. Then after from class 5th, we used to have internal system also. Then though this does not balances off, but it is there with this also. So from 5 to 7, it is international system, and from 1 to class 4 and 5, this system is there. See, so this is from 1 to 7 we have this. Okay. So what's the mechanism to write? So first of all, we deal with the Indian system. Okay. We gonna deal with the Indian system, and then we gonna deal with the other one. Okay, number system. So suppose I just going to take the number here. Suppose the number is like this. Let us see a number. What's the mechanism? We will deal with the mechanism. The number is like 5, 6, 8, 2, 9, 5. Where is the number? So what we have to do is that put ones, tens, 100,000 here. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and then lakh. This is the place value chart which you have done above the number. What's the need to write in the ones, tens, and above the number? The need is that you can deal with this topic easily. So here it is 6. So I don't regard your class because this topic is similar for everyone. So if you learn the mechanism, number is 6. What's the number? It's lakh. Now the number is 6 lakh. Okay, 6 lakh. Okay, then 6 lakh. Then now the number is 5. What's above it? Above it there is 10,000. If it is 10,000, take two number. What does 10 say in this number system? 10 always say take two number. Take two number. So two number is 58. Now forget that it is number system. Just remember two number is 58. Right? 58. Right? 58. 58. Okay. Now 58. Now what's above it? It's 1000. Write 1000 here. Write 1000 here. Right, this thousands. Now what's the number next? The next number is 2. What's above it? Above it's 100. Now the 200. Now the number will be 200. Now what's the number? It's a 9. Now above it there is tens. Then take two number 95. What is the two number? 95. 95. So what we have to learn? We have to learn is this. That if there is tens here, take two number. Take two number. Now ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So tens, then take two number, 10 crore. 10 lakh, then take two number, 10 lakh. 10,000, then take two number, 10,000. 100, then just one number. 10, then just one number. And from this method, you learn the way to take commas also. The way to take commas also. Okay? The way to take commas is ones, tens, 100 in single one, 1,000, 10,000 in single one, lakh, 10 lakh in single one. So the commas are also clear from here. So in Indian system, the method to take number is segregate number is like this: 3, 2, 2, 2. First of all, we take 3 number, then 2 number, then 2 number, then 2 number. Again, you can put commas also there. Now, what's the expanded form of this number? What is the expanded form of this number? So, expanded form is quite easy topic. So, what's the expanded form will be there? Expanded form will be number is 6. Take 6, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 zeros are there. Now again take plus here. Now plus is for what's the next number? Next number is 5. Next number is 5. Take 5, then count the number after 1 2 3 4. 4 numbers are there. Then take 4 0. 1 2 3 4. 4 zeros will be there. Now again the number is 8. Number is 8. Now take plus 8 here and then count the number after that. Number after 1 2 3. So take 3 0. Take a 3 0. Okay, done. Now again the number is 2. Number is 2. Put a plus here, then take 2 here. If 2 is here, now what's the number after that? Number after that, there's 2 number after that. Therefore 2 0. Therefore 2 0. 2 0. Now the number is 9. So put a plus here. Put a plus here and write the number. Number is 9. Number is 9. Take a 0 there. Take a 0 there because there's one number after 9. One number after 9. Now put the number 5. Put the number 5. This is the expanded form of this number. Okay. Now the place value and face value. Place value and face value. Place value and face value. What is the place value and face value of the number? So what is the place value of this number? So in examination we used to have just place value of one number or two number. Right? So the place value of here the 6 will be like this 6 and then the numbers after that similar to this way. The numbers after the digits after that there are 1 2 3 4 5 digits. Then put 5 0 here. This will be the place value of 6 in this number. Place value of 6 in this number is 6 and then 5 zeros. Okay. Again the number is similar to this way. Similar to we have done this the way expanded form. We will do this one. What the number is here? Number is 5. Number is 5. How many numbers after that? 1 2 3 4. Now 1 2 3 4. Okay. Done. 4 0. Now the number is 8. Number is 8. What's the number after that? 1 2 3. 3 numbers are there. Then put 3 0. Put 3 0. What's the number after that? 2. 2 is the number after that. Then take 2 and then the digit after that. Count the digit after that. The 2 digits are there. Then put 0 here. Put 0. The number of how many digits are after that? Put that much zeros after that number. Okay. That is the place value of that number. Okay. Now the number is 9. 9 is there. What's the number after that? Number is 1. Then put 0. Put 0 here. Okay. What's the number? 5. After 5 there is no digit. Therefore 5 will have just the same. So same. What is the face value of that number? Face value of that number is for 6. The face value of digit 6 in this number is 6. The face value of digit 5 in this number is 5. So you can have a common sense that the numbers having same face as the same face value. The face value will not differ for the numbers. Okay? Now for the one thing you have to learn here, notice here that the place value and face value of unit digit are same. Sometimes there used to be a question, what's the number having the same place value and face value? The number is the unit place. The answer is the unit place. The unit place is a number. Unit place is a number having same place value and same face value. Okay. Now comes this is the number name. This is number name, expanded form, place value, face value. Now comes successor and predecessor. What is successor? What is successor? What is successor and what is predecessor? So successor and predecessor be like successor and predecessor. Successor is a number. Successor is a number after the number, and the predecessor is a number before the number. So predecessor. So suppose the number is 4. Number is 4. If you want to find the successor of 4, add 1 to it. What's next to 4? The next to 4 is 5. So this is the 5 is the successor of 4. How you get it? Just add 1. Just add 1 to it. Okay. What's the predecessor of 4? The predecessor of 4 is 3. Okay. You know because the numbers are small here. But what's the logic? What is the mathematics here? The mathematics is just subtract 1. Subtract 1 from the given number. If you subtract 1 or add 1, you will get a successor and predecessor. Now the number is 658295. The right number here 658295. So to get a successor, you have to add here. For S is successor and S is the sum of the number. So S is successor, S is the sum of number. Okay. So the sum of number is plus 1. And yeah, notice one thing here. Children used to add somewhere here, okay, or anywhere. So don't add anywhere. Once one has just one digit, therefore it is at one's place. One's place will be added to one's place. One's place will be added to one's place. One's place is 5. So add it to 5. So ones will be added to ones. Tens will be added to tens. So here it is 1. Then it means only once is there. Now add number 5 plus 1, 6, 9, 2, 8, 5, 6. Done now? This is the successor of this number. Successor of this number is this one. Successor of this number is this one. Again write the number 6, 5, 8, 2, 9, 5. 6, 5, 8, 2, 9 for the number. We have to find the predecessor. Then minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. 5 minus 1. 4. Then 9. Then 2. Then 8. Then 5. Then 6. Okay. Done now? This is the predecessor. So this is the whole number after that. Okay. This is the number after that. That is the number name, expected form, place value, face value, successor, predecessor. Okay. So now the next topic is, so in number system, if we sequentially go, first of all there is number name, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, tens have 2 number. Okay, done. Now expected form, place value, face value, successor, predecessor. Done. Okay. Now arranging number. Next topic is how to arrange number. To arrange number, you have to find what is greater and what is smaller. What is greater and what is smaller. So the arranging will be like this. That the arranging will be to find the number greater and smaller. We have 2 rules. What are the rule? Let's find out. We don't have to do anything. How much big the number is, we don't deal with the number. We just deal with the digit. Single digit will convey that the number is small or not. Okay. The first rule is, so rule to find out the number is greater or smaller. How it is? The first rule is, greater the number of digit, greater the number of digit, greater the number of digit, greater will be the number. Greater will be the number. Greater the number of digit, greater will be the number. So come on, check an example. Here it is 1 and here it is 21. So obviously say that 21 is greater. Okay. Then here it is 9 and here it is 11. Which is greater? Obviously 11 is greater. Why? Your brain knows that if it is 2 number, it is greater, and if it is 1 number, it is smaller. So in this method, we can check out here. Sometimes brain does not know how to know, so you make him know, make her know. Okay, the number is like so I will ask you which number is greater. So don't go just go like blindly. Just have a calm. Don't watch out the digits or the numbers there. Just count the digit. First work is to count the digit. If the number is more, the number is greater. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the number of digits 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number of digits 7. The greater one is this one. So I didn't use ones, tens, hundred, thousand and all. I just counted the digits. Simple mathematics of counting. Just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Greater the number of digit, greater will be the number. Now what's the second rule? What's the second rule? Second rule is what? Second rule is if the numbers are similar. We have sometimes we have similar numbers. So what we will do for similar numbers? Second rule is for similar digit of number. Similar number of digit. For similar number of digit, look out in which the greater number is coming first. Greater the number coming first, greater will be the number. Greater number first. Greater number first. Greater number first, greater will be the number. So what's the number here? Let's take some example. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 5, 3, 4. So which one is greater? You don't have to do anything. You don't have to judge, you don't have to look, just count the digit. The first rule, don't forget the first rule, always use the first rule. Count digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No difference in digit. So the first rule fails. Now the second rule. Second rule is what second rule? Second rule is the greater number comes first, greater will be the number. Now here 1 comes, here 1, here 2, here 2. When here there is 3, there is 5. When there is 3, there is 5. So this number is greater because greater and came first. So the number is greater. Easy. You don't have to do anything. So next take next example, like 1, 6, 8, 3, 2, 1. The number is this one. Again the number is 1, 6, 9, 9, 9, 9. So which one is greater? Which one is greater? So you feel like that just first of all count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So both the numbers have 6 digits. So don't deal with that. Just deal with the number which number coming first and which number having greater number first. 1, 1, 6, 6. Here comes 8 and here comes 9. So this one is greater. This one is greater. So now from here only. So we know that how to arrange a number. There's two rules. One rule is greater the number of digit, greater the digit. Now the second rule is if the numbers of digits are same. So if the numbers of digits are same, greater number comes first, greater the number. A small number comes first, the smaller the number. Okay. So what's the logic here? So we have to arrange number in ascending order and descending order. So ascending order. So you don't have to deal with ascending order. You don't have to remember it. You used to forget whether ascending was from small to greater, whether descending was from small to avoid this glitch. We will deal a logic. What is the logic here? Descending order. So don't deal with this long word. Okay, deal with the first digit. Deal with the first digit. The D stands for descending. Now D also means down. So what is the literal meaning of down? Down is something from above to below. It means first it was greater and then it was smaller. So descending order is first comes the greater number and then comes the small number. This down. Now ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order is like A for aeroplane. You know aeroplane. Aeroplane used to be down and then it goes up. So if it goes up, it means it is smaller first and larger at last. So this is the two logic to remember ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, first of all smaller one and then the greater one. Descending order, first of all the greater one and then the smaller one. Okay? Now we will arrange some bigger number in this series. Why bigger number? Ascending order. So the next topic is ascending order. For we have studied the number as if arranging a number. As though arrange a number, there is two logic. That is from smaller to greater. Greater number of digits, number will be higher. So first of all, what we have learned the digit like this. The ascending order. To arrange the number, the ascending order. First of all, A for don't deal with the whole world. Just deal with A and then just deal with D. A is ascending order and D is descending order. So A stands for aeroplane. What it is? Aeroplane. Aeroplane means first of all it starts from below and then up in the air. So it is smaller first and then greater last. Smaller first and then greater last. Smaller first and then this is ascending order. You don't deal with this whole world. Don't forget it. People used to forget whether it is ascending from small to greater or descending from greater to smaller. So the method to learn is just watch the word. The word is ascending order. It starts with A. A means aeroplane. So small to greater. Descending is down. D means down. D means down. So what does down means? Down means from greater to lower. Greater to lower. Greater to lower. Okay. So the number is like this. Okay. First of all, the greater number and then the lower number. Okay. Now we will take an example to arrange the number. So here from till here we are knowing two rules of arranging the number. First rule is greater the number of digit, greater will be the digit. And the second, if the numbers of digits are same, the greater number coming first, greater will be the number. Now let us take some number 3, 6, 8, 4, 8, comma 3, 7, 8, 4, 8, comma 3, 7, 8, 9, 8, comma 3, 6, 8, 5, 8. Okay. So the first rule says count the number of digits. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The question is of ascending order. Question is of ascending order. So the number of digits are same, 5, 5, 5, 5 everywhere. So we cannot use the first rule here. We will use the second rule. Okay, greater comes first, greater. For ascending order, smaller comes first, smaller. So here it is 3. Okay, 3, 3, 3. No one is greater or smaller because all are same. Here it is 6, 7, 7, 6. So we can, by this digit, we can know that 7 is larger than 6. Therefore, this cannot be smaller. This is only smaller, and this is only smaller. Now we have the number of 6 as if two numbers are there. Two numbers are there. One number is 6 and one number is 6. Okay. Now, for this number, we need to find which one is smaller here, which one is smaller here. So for that, proceed before. Okay. Here it is 8. Here it is 8, and then it is 4, and then it is 5. Oh, it is 4. 4 one is smaller. So the smallest number is 3, 6, 8, 4, 8. Then after that 3, 6, 8, 5, 8. After that 3, now 3, 7, 8, 4, 8, 3, 7, 8, 9, 8. Which one is smaller here? We will find it out. So 3, 7, again use the same method. Now 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. Here it is 4 and here it is 9. Therefore, the small number is this one among 7 ones. 3, 7, 8, 4, 8, 3, 7, 8, 9, 8. Okay, done. Now this is the ascending of arranging ascending order. Ascending order, and the descending is reverse of this number. Done. Now the next topic is, you can stop. Now the next topic is to number formation. How to do with number formation? So the method is like this. For number formation, it is the digits will be there 5, 6, 1, 2, 8. To form the digit of this number, how about it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there, so it will ask either of 5 digits or more than 5 digits. So if first of all we deal with the first case, the first case is the similar the number of digits and similar number of digits have been asked. Okay, so to make greater number from this, sort out the greatest number. Greatest number is 8. Put it at first. 8, then 6, then 5, then 2, then 1, then 2, then 1. This is the greatest possible number which can be formed from this digit, Okay, then now form a smaller number from this. Form a small number from this. So for forming the small number from this, take a smallest number first. 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. This is the smallest possible number from these digits. And what number of digits? The number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers, 5 digits. 5 number, 5 digits. Okay. Now the second case is exceptional case. What is this case? It is exceptional case. What is the exceptional case here? Exceptional case is if the digits are like this: 5, 6, 0, 2, 8. Here there is 0. Here there is 0. So first of all, it has to be given to write the number in greater number. Write the greater number from these digits and of how much digit? Of 5 digits. Okay, greater number of 5 digits. the greatest possible number from these digits or 5 digits from these numbers. So the number, first of all, the same method, arrange the number is descending order. So 8, now 8, 6, 5, 2, 0. This is the greatest possible number, similar to this, Greater comes first, greater the number. Greater comes first, greater the number. So put the greatest first. Okay. Now there is the smallest number. The smallest number is like this. Smallest number will be like this. So the exception case is here in the smallest number. What it is? The number is smallest is 0. We have to put 0 first, but we cannot put 0 first, because if we put 0 first, the digit will not be of that much digit. It will be reduced to 1. Okay, the 5-digit number will be a 4-digit number only, because 0 is not a digit. Okay, if it is first. So put a next number before 0. So 2, 0, 5, 6, 8. This is the smallest number from these number. 2, 0, 5, 6. This is the exception case. Okay. Now then this is the number arrangement. So we have to conclude the topic. The topic is in number one. First of all, write the number name, then the ascending order. Number name, then expanded form, then place value, and then face value, then successor, and then predecessor. Successor. This is the topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then see what is sixth one? Sixth one is arranging the number. Descending order, ascending order. Then seventh is to what? Seventh is to number formation. Number formation. So these are 7 topics. Here is number formation. So these are the 7 topics which we deal with the number system. So now there is one more thing we should know about the number. Nature of the number. And what is the nature? First of all, before going to we have natural number. Natural number. Why it is, as the name suggests, natural. What does it suggest? Natural. Natural means starting from 1. If anyone asks to you count the number, then you will start from 1, because it is natural number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Now the whole number. Now comes the whole number. Whole number is from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Okay. Now comes the integers. Integer is from -1, 0, 1, 2 up to infinity, and here it is -2, -3 up to infinity. So both here the numbers from -infinity to +infinity. We cannot say as -infinity, because it is not. If it is not defined, then how can you define the sign? So there is no any sign of here. The number is from there is infinite number of numbers in integer. So now the whole number from 0 to infinity. Done. वीडियो मर्ज करना होता है ना मर्ज. हाँ, तो the next topic is structure of atom. What does it mean? The first of all is the atom is not visible. We cannot see atom, but the structure is like this. It was defined. First of all, the Marsi period was there, and then Lord Dalton was there. So Morse what he was eating rice. Then he found that we cannot separate. He start cutting the rice, piece of rice, and then there is a smallest piece, and he could not deviate it, and he could not divide it further. So he called that particle as atom. Anu, he called it Anu. Now Dalton, there is a German scientist Dalton who found the same thing, and he told that he had given some postulates like the number of the smallest individual particle is called atom. So from here the definition of atom was defined. So people have now have the curiosity, what is atom? If a substance, if a matter have atom in them, it means what is inside that atom? Now curiosity will increase. So the start of this atom and structure was taken place from matter. Matter is formed of atom. Atom is formed of what? So from here the beginning of structure of atom begins. So the very basic we will deal with how to deal with the structure of atom. So the first thing which you have to know is matter. So what is matter? What is matter? What is matter? The amount, the substance which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Okay, done. Now matter is made up of atom. Matter is made up of atom. What is atom? Atom is the smallest indivisible particle. The smallest indivisible particle given by Dalton. Now what does it have? Now further, who was there? A cathode ray tube was conducted. Cathode ray tube experiment. Cathode ray tube experiment was conducted by William Crookes. Okay. But he didn't name what he found. He didn't name what he found there. So there was a negative charge particles. Later J.J. Thomson named it as electron. J.J. Thomson find the number of named it electron. So the discoverer of electron was J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson named it as electron. The first particle which was found in an atom was J.J. Thomson named it electron. So there was a discovery of negatively charged particle. There was a discovery of negatively charged particle called electron. Now the curiosity again began. If there is